Thank you. And now call on the Asian Forum for Human Rights and Development.
Mr. Vice President, Forum Asia makes this statement in association with SIONI. We are alarmed that Singapore has rejected nearly half of the 236 recommendations it received. This negative precedence for the UPR is a disturbing indication of the country's unwillingness to work with international human rights processes. Those rejected including key recommendations on freedom of expression, assembly and association. Existing legal restrictions on these rights far exceed permissible under international human rights law. We call on the state to review all laws and policies that impose undue restrictions. We regret that the Singapore government has merely noted recommendations on censorship of LGBT content in the media and the continual decriminalization of sex between consenting men under Section 377A. Despite reassurances that 377A is not proactively enforced, the state appears to conveniently ignore the cascading and intersectional effects of this law that encourages discrimination by the state. The claim that LGBT media content is allowed as long as guidelines are followed is a fallacy. Guidelines prevent all positive or neutral portrayals of LGBT people, even when it includes comments or TV related to history and social change on other countries. In reality, only stigmatization of LGBT people is permitted. Although the state has been quick to cite the annual Pride event Pink Dot as evidence of tolerance and inclusiveness, on 7 June 2016, the Ministry of Home Affairs announced restrictions on foreign sponsorship to this event. We welcome the statement of Ministry of Home Affairs that everyone will be protected against violence regardless of sexual orientation. We note that this remains as lip service as long as the state retains laws that promote violence and discrimination against LGBT people. We call on the government to take concrete steps to decriminalize and remove all policies that discriminate against LGBT persons living in Singapore. Thank you.